Hey, everyone! Introducing OHill Desk Cable Management Cord Organizer, the ultimate solution for keeping your cables neat and tidy. Let's delve into the top features. Cable clips. Say goodbye to cable chaos with OHill Desk Cable Management Cord Organizer. These handy cable clips keep your cords neatly organized and easily accessible, helping you find the right cable when you need it. Keep your desk organized. Litte Neat Cable Cord Holder will help those cluttered cables and cords around your desk, TV, power strip, filing cabinets, computer, or cell phone much nicer. And safer. Multipurpose. You can use them as table cable organzier, cable management kit, cord organizer, wire keeper, flexible, and easy to install wherever you want. Its wire-keeping function ensures that your cables stay organized and easily accessible whenever you need them. Soft rubber and sturdy sticky pad. Made of soft rubber and extra strong upgraded sticky pad, which holds them securely, adhered easily to multiple surfaces. Self-Adhesive. No tools or drilling required. OHill Desk Cable Management Cord Organizer features a strong self-adhesive backing that securely attaches to any smooth surface, keeping your cables in place without leaving a mark. Versatile use. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, OHill Desk Cable Management Cord Organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your cables organized and within reach. Upgrade your cable management game with OHill Desk Cable Management Cord Organizer today and say goodbye to cable clutter for good. Click the link in the description to order yours now. Thanks for watching.